In a quiet village surrounded by lush green hills,
lived a curious boy named Finn. One sunny morning commented while helping Grandpa clean the attic. Finn found something strange.
Grandpa, what's this old rusty pot doing here?
Ah, that's no ordinary pot, Finn. They say it's a magic pot, but only honest hearts can unlock its power.
Finn's eyes sparkled. He decided to keep it and find out what made it magical. That night, Finn heard a humming. The pot glowed softly.
Are you alive?
I am the magic pot. Speak a need, and I shall provide, but only one honest wish a day.
I am so excited. Let's see what you do for me.
The next morning, he wished for a fresh loaf of bread.
Oh wow, it really works. Amazing.
Days passed, Finn began making more and more wishes: sweets, toys, gold coins. Finn's wishes turned from helpful to greedy. Colorful kites, reading books all appeared. But something changed. The pot's light dimmed. Greed is curse.
Only one honest wish a day. Greed darkens magic.
One day, he lied about needing food. But Finn didn't listen, and the pot got dark.
A broken heart hears no truth.
Finn sat alone in the garden, and his heart full of regret.
I was greedy. I didn't listen out and now I lost it. I am so sad.
Its glow had vanished, leaving only silence and dust because of his greed. The magic pot now cracked. Next morning, deep within the woods where time felt slower. Alone and ashamed, Finn wandered into the forest, hands are full of mud reminding him his greed.
I was greedy. I didn't listen. I ruined everything.
That night when he was sad, a warm light flickered from the trees. A soft glow gathers and forms into Milo. The spirit of kindness, Milo.
Finn, you have broken the pot, but not the lesson. The magic was never in wishes, it was always in you.
Can I make it right again?
Yes. Take the pot's remains and plant them in a place where love is needed most. What grows will tell you if your heart has healed.
Finn returned to the village with a refreshed energy and hope. Next day, in the village field. With care, he buried the pieces of the broken pot and planted a single seed inside.
I don't want to stick, just want to make things in a better way.
Suddenly, the ground glowed softly, right where the pot had been buried. A small sprout pushed through the soil. By morning, a glowing tree had grown tall and silver, with hundreds of tiny lanterns hanging from its branches. Each lantern has a little wish inside. People from the village came to see and began writing their kind wishes on paper.
This tree reminds us, real magic isn't hoping good things for others.
I broke the pot, but I think it turned into something even better. And now all my dreams come true. My people are happy now.
Every night, the lanterns floated up into the sky, carrying hope and kindness with them, and the tree never stopped glowing. It can still bloom if you plant it with love.